The Redstone Castle is one of the most iconic properties in the Rocky Mountains.
Everything has been restored to perfection, and it's all included.
This jewel of the Rockies is shining brighter than ever. Completed in 1902, the Redstone Castle was built by coal magnate John Osgood.
The guest list was pretty impressive. From the Roosevelts to the Rockefellers, this castle has hosted some of the most powerful people in the world.
The current owners have spent millions restoring the castle to its original glory. Nearly 24,000 square feet with 11 suites. More than 60% of the furniture is original. From the English-style Great Hall with Tiffany brass globes to the opulent dining room with red stained mahogany and velvet walls to the French-styled music parlor where the ladies would gather, complete with green silk walls and fresco plaster ceiling. The castle is a glimpse into the style and culture of America's elite at the turn of the 20th century.
You don't have to lift a finger. It's all been done. It's in incredible shape.
Located just 15 minutes from Carbondale and less than an hour from Aspen, Redstone Castle is listed on the National Register of Historic Places and is currently generating income as a boutique hotel. Stay in the popular Roosevelt Suite, or maybe you prefer Lady Bountiful's private wing with more than 1,000 square feet, separate sitting room in the Octagon Tower, and original 1902 clawfoot bathtub. Head down to the game room with original billiards and game tables, or dine out on the porch with views of the grounds below.
The castle looks as good, if not better, than when it was originally built.
But the new owner gets more than just the castle and a piece of history, but the entire kingdom.
The castle is amazing in its own right, but it sits on 150 acres in the Crystal Valley.
There's the opportunity to build another 20,000 square feet of cottages, cabins. You've got over 2,000 feet of river frontage of premier Crystal River, which is one of the last undammed rivers in the state of Colorado.
There's the separate carriage house with original carriages, as well as multiple outbuildings like the Riverside Gazebo, cottages, and of course, the iconic courtyard that instantly whisks you away to another time and place. One of the reasons why filmmakers chose this spot for the filming of the 2006 movie, The Prestige. Now, add in the extensive water rights and access, and this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
You're located between two wilderness areas and two national forests. Mountain biking, snowmobiling, snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, fishing, hunting, hiking.
The demand for an experience like this has never been higher. There is huge upside with the development potential. I can't think of anything else like this on the market right now.